Today, we are going to discuss about scheduling agreement. Let me share my screen. Is the screen visible for you, Bila?
Oh, yeah, yes, bro.
Yeah. We are going to discuss about scheduling agreement. Okay. Under outline agreements, we have two types. One is contracts. Second one is scheduling agreement. Contracts. In the contracts also we have two types. One is value contract and second one is quantity contract. In value contract, we make an agreement with the vendor based on the price. Okay, how much worth value of materials the company going to procure. In quantity contract, based on quantity, they will do some agreement between vendor and company. Coming to scheduling agreement, it is also an agreement with the vendor, but here what we will do according to contracts, we create one contract. With respect to contract, we create a purchase order, right? But here, scheduling agreement itself is a purchase order. We create the scheduling agreement, and with the scheduling agreement, we generate scheduling lines. In scheduling lines, we create we maintain the delivery dates to deliver some amount, some quantity of materials to the company. Okay, here we have two types of scheduling agreement. One is with release documentation. Okay. Next one is without release documentation. Okay. Just like in purchase order creation, we have a standard document type called ND, right? And RFQA and purchase requisition ND. Same like in contracts, we have a document type called MK, WK, right? It's the same way we have a document types called LP, LPA, with release documentation, without release documentation. Okay. Under with release documentation, we have it two steps. That is, one is forecast schedule and just in time schedule. Okay. First, let us discuss with the LP document type, and then we discuss about LP. Okay. Let me take you to SAP. Let us directly go to configuration. The T code is SPRO IMG, and let's go for materials management, purchasing. Okay, here you can see the scheduling agreements, right? Go to scheduling agreements, and here we need to define the document type and define number ranges. Okay. Let me go for, let me show you the document types first. LP, LP. In real time, we use the standard document type. If they want any customized one, we do customization. Okay. It is a test server, right? We can use standard, or else if you want to go with Z, we can also define Z. And what are the number ranges here assigned? Internal number range is 55 series, right? What is the 55 number range here assigned? See, this is a series they was maintained here. Okay, then let us create new document types. Do not disturb the standard one. Let me copy. First, let us define new number range. Then we can do that. Go to item overview and let us do sorting ascending order. Let us take any of the last number as they used. Let us take this. This number range, from this number range, let us take Delphi Motors. Let us keep as DM 300. Let us give here 600. DM is already exists. Let's click some other DD. Okay, number range was created. Now let us assign. Go to define document types. And let us copy this LP document type. Let make as DLP. But in real time, do not use alphabetics with ABCD or something. We need to use Z or Y. Okay. Let's give Delphi scheduling agreement. Okay. Okay. One thing we do. I think this document already available in PDF. An entry was already exist. Already DLP was used. So Z. Okay. CLP is not available. Let us go with CLP. Okay, CLP copied. Now let's change its number range, and I'm not using an external number range, so remove it. Click on enter. So we have defined CLP and number range assigned as DD. Click on save. Delphi Automotives, right? CLP was created. Let us copy this. I think CLP already available. Let us use this document type. Okay, CLP we use. Let me take a note of it. What we do first define number ranges. Okay, we do define number ranges. Take this screenshot as well. Before that, let me change its description. Okay, release documentation. Let us make it as video. What is the path? Meta management, purchasing, scheduling agreement, define number ranges. AMG, task management, scheduling agreement, and define number ranges. Need to define the number range, right? What we defined. This is the number range we defined, right? First, we need to define the number range by using this path. After that, we need to define document type. Define LP, LPA, document types, and assign number range. CLP, CLPA. Okay. So the configuration was completed. Let us create the scheduling agreement now. What is the T code to create scheduling agreement? I mean, what is the T code we use to create a contracts? Bilal, what is the T code we use to create contracts? Shashank? Anybody? What is the T code we use to create contracts? Hello. Okay. ME31K.
Hello?
Yeah, Bilal.
Hello?
Tell me, Bilal.
ME31K, bro. ME31K.
ME31K, right? So here, if you want to create a scheduling agreement, the T code is ME31L. Okay, schedule for scheduling agreement, L for contracts, K. Okay, ME31L. Here we need to maintain the vendor's name for the scheduling agreement, which you want to do the agreement between company and the vendor. Let us take any of the vendor. Company code is remote. Let us take sir. Okay, and then agreement type. In real time, we need to use LP and LPA, right? Now let us select the ZLP document type, which we define now. And we need to maintain the purchasing organization. What is our purchasing organization? DLPO. And purchasing org is TPC. And need to maintain plant here. For which plant you want to create the agreement, TPL1 and storage location. Okay. Now click on enter. The same header, validity period, start and end, similar to contracts. So let us give something up to 6 months. Okay. 2022 to 28, 2022. Okay. Click on enter. Here you need to give the material number. Let me take any of the material from the list. Let us take piston. Target quantity, let us take 10,000 quantity. And what is the material price? Let us check what is the material price. TPL1. It is 250 rupees. The material price was 250 rupees. Now let us take the vendor is giving for, let us take 240. Okay, we have agreement with the vendor, right? Enter. Now click on save. No message record could be found for the output message because we do not done any output type determination for scheduling agreement, right? We done only for purchase order. That is the reason why it is telling some warning message like it doesn't have any message output. And I save it. Click on yes. So now one agreement was created, 301. By 301, we defined the number range for from 301, right? So first agreement number is 301. So if you want to change the anything, ME32L is the transaction code to change the agreement. Okay. So now agreement was created. For contracts, what is the next step we do for contracts? We create the purchase order with reference to contract, right? But here we need to do is we do not create any purchase order against this scheduling agreement. Scheduling agreement itself is a purchase order. Okay, just we maintain the delivery dates for it. The T code to maintain. Let me think I didn't take the screenshot, right? So next step we do create scheduling. What is the T code we use? ME31L to create scheduling agreement. These are the inputs we maintain in initial screen. You need to maintain the validity from and to. And then we create a scheduling agreement, right? So scheduling agreement was created. The number. This is the number, right? Now we will maintain the ME33L to display the scheduling agreement. Let me close it. Okay. Now we are going to maintain the scheduling delivery dates. The T code we use is ME38 to maintain delivery dates. So maintain delivery schedules. The T code to maintain delivery schedules is ME38. Okay. This is the initial screen. You need to maintain the scheduling agreement which you want to maintain the delivery schedules. Enter. Here you can see the same agreement is appeared here, right? Now select this, go to item. Here you can see delivery schedule. Click on this delivery schedule. What will we do? Select the line item and go to item. Go to delivery schedule. Okay. Here go to item and delivery schedule. See here delivery date and scheduled quantity. Here we need to maintain the delivery date when the company needs the material and how much quantity on that particular date the company needs. Let's take today is 20, right? Let us give today's date and make 100 quantity. and tomorrow let me give 200 quantity, and 23rd let us go for 24th. I want 300. Okay. Need to maintain delivery dates and schedule quantity. Maintain delivery date and schedule quantity. Okay. Now click on save. From yes. Now schedule lines was be maintained, schedule dates. Now, and also one more thing, go to change mode of scheduling agreement. Let me touch to L. And here we need to maintain the in item details. Actually, we discussed about the inbound delivery concept, right? Let us use it here, scheduling agreement. If you go to confirmation control key, you can see the list of control keys, right? Let us go with the shipping notification. Let's assume vendor is sending us the shipping notification. Based on that, the inbound delivery will be created in our system. Okay. Or otherwise, you can go and select the inbound delivery as well. Both will be similar. In configuration, we set up a checkbox called create inbound delivery, right? Yesterday. So let us maintain this. Let me take this screenshot as well. Let us maintain confirmation control key. During the creation itself, we can maintain. Okay. Let us put this in this. Let me maintain this. Maintain confirmation control key as inbound delivery. What we maintain ANLI, right? ANLI. Have we maintained? Select the item and go to item details. Let me take the screenshot as well. Select the line item and go to item details and maintain confirmation Control key. So we maintain confirmation control key. So we maintain the delivery date, right? So on this date, the vendor will send the delivery. Before the inventory taken into our company's inventory, whenever the vendor ships, he will send a shipping notification for the company, so that based on that shipping notification, the inbound delivery will be created in SAP system. After that, with reference to that inbound delivery, we receive the goods into our inventory, right? Yesterday we done, right, goods with inbound delivery. It's the same way. We do the first, we need to create inbound delivery. Create inbound delivery. What is the T code? What is the T code, Bilal, to create inbound delivery? VL31N to create inbound delivery. Let us create one inbound delivery. Let me move to display mode, so it will not be locked. So let us go for VL31N to create inbound delivery. What is the purchase order number? I said, right, scheduling agreement itself is a purchase order. So the scheduling agreement number is nothing but a purchase order. So maintain at here. I'm giving today's date, enter. See, this is taken 100 quantity. Why? Because in scheduling agreement, ME38, right? Scheduling lines we maintain. Oh, I think we processing in this transaction. Let me proceed. Okay. Select item, delivery schedule. Here in this 20, what we maintain 100 quantity. That is the reason why system automatically picks based on the delivery date. Okay. Let me close it. Go back. Let us go and create ME31. Sorry, VL31N. Okay. Guys, could you please rejoin again? I think the session will be ended within 2 minutes. Hello? Yeah, could you please guys rejoin again? Yeah. Thank you.